Okay, somebody was asking how to remove the headlight on a Honda TRX250EX. So here's the instructions for the manual. The first thing you have to do is remove this front cover here, this black cover. These pieces are red. So to remove this cover, you remove the two trim clips, this one and this one. Then you remove the front center cover by releasing the 6 tabs from the front fender. So there's kind of these little tangs that slide into slots here on both sides, and so once you have these out, you pop this forward, and then that'll come out. And then for the headlight, for the bulb assembly, so once you have the access to the light, once you have that black cover off, so you remove that cover, and then you remove the dust cover from the headlight, disconnect the headlight bulb from the connector, remove the headlight bulb by turning it counterclockwise. So you essentially just pull this connector out, and then you can get to the bulb. The bulb goes right in here. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Okay, hope that helps.